This video is AI generated. Nothing you see is real. Please don't try at home.
What is good with y'all YouTube? Welcome back to another video. And first things first, y'all already see the whole scenery where I'm at. Y'all know I'm not in the regular roads. Y'all know I'm the regular city like I always am. What is that though? What is that? I don't know, but that's a sweet ride. But like I was saying, y'all see we got the big 63 out today. Y'all see we got the big 63 out today. Hold on, I need a little more energy. Y'all see we got the big 63 out today. I'm not gonna lie, this car is a little dirty. I haven't washed in a couple of days, but hey, we gonna give y'all some POV today, cause I haven't been to the canyons with my GoPro in a couple days, couple weeks. So I'm pop the hood for y'all, so you can see what we're working with. Check out the vet. Check out the vet pulling up. Check out the vet pulling up. With that M3, M4. Woo! Boy, this thing is hot. Y'all see the twin turbo V8. Sasha Jonas, shout out like always. Before the video starts, y'all, I'm gonna give y'all some quick revs. Before that, everybody, please subscribe. We right around 200 subscribers where we at right now. We right around 200, y'all. 200 to go. Come on, y'all. I think we could hit 200 before the end of March, y'all. So that's what I'm really aiming at. So yeah, y'all see everybody turning their heads because I got the goddamn GoPro on my head. But yeah, man, like, look at this beauty right here, y'all. Y'all don't think this is beautiful? Y'all lying. Like, y'all really choose M3s over this, M4s over this? Like, come on, y'all. Hold on. What is that? It's the Ferrari, y'all. Oh my gosh. I need me a Ferrari one day. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all some quick revs though. We don't got a Ferrari, but we got a 63. whistle. I know y'all hear that whistle for a fact though. I see the icy sign. Ice right here. It's actually pretty wet now coming up this mountain. I seen the Rari. Literally ice. I'm about to get off and paint the ice, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I just switched the camera, and it's actually chilling out here. Like, I didn't expect for there to be ice, like I said, but if y'all live anywhere where it snows, like if I hate the cold, I don't like being in snow. I've been in snow a couple times. I'm not a fan of it. You can't do nothing in the snow. But the 63, I didn't turn it off. I left it breathing for a little bit. I see it. Check out the cool view though. Y'all, look at this. What y'all think about this now? This is crazy. The snow to me is really insane though. Which I think is down deep. Couple possums. Alright, anyway, y'all see the 63. Alright, we're gonna continue with this POV because I ain't got no business in the snow for real. I do not. The cold ain't meant for me, y'all. I like chill weather. I like when it's not hot but not cold. I like when it's just right, you know? Snow is not meant for me. I can't live in the snow. I do have wet tires since I was all up in that water and stuff, that dried up ice, but I'm gonna take it a little easy. To his car, me, yo, what y'all think? I don't really see nothing crazy for real. I see a Rari actually.